Hi guys, it's Bert from Yiannimize. You're now watching the wildcard pick video. Here we go. Right, first person I think deserves a chance and a shot is Manthan. He's an engineering student, so I think his mindset is there to pick things up as he goes along. I reckon he'll do that quite quickly. No experience whatsoever, it don't matter. Aga. Well done. Only person to lay the panel and pretty much have it completed. Absolutely smashed it, deserves a shot. Showed plenty of potential. Sam. Missed out narrowly on my top set of people that I wanted to go for, but I think he could do well. This one we were a little bit dubious with, but I'm glad we're doing this format because I want to see the support this person gets. Adam. He's definitely got the skill set. I think we can mould him. He would need a lot of work, hence why I missed out on my top 5. This person needs to put some graft in. But I like the little dynamic of girlfriend and boyfriend. Chloe. I think she's got the basics right. What I like most about her is the dynamic between her and her boyfriend. They're fighting for that. Blue team joining the winning team. Who wants it? They need your help to get that, to join the team, to get in with a chance of winning a job with that big man there. But it's down to you guys. Go and vote now and back whoever you need to back.